information from them as to where to go with the conversation. Pretty cool, huh? Now, what happens when they tell you yes? We've worked so hard to get to this point. So they tell you yes. What do? I'll show you how we do it. And I call this the easy way, is we have them e-sign a contract, text them a payment link, or just use the app on the phone and run the card right there and collect their deposit. Okay? So if we've got them on the phone, what we do is we quickly text them over an e-sign agreement for them to sign. Then after they sign that, we then give them here a text link to pay the invoice. And the money's just deposited straight into the bank account like so. So let's do a quick recap on what you've learned today. You've learned how to pre-qualify your leads for high probability sales from any marketing channel. You've learned how to not get ghosted by conducting an estimate review call. And you've learned how to one-call close high-ticket excavation or septic jobs by framing the call in advance. And if you follow these steps, guys, I promise you'll win more sales than you lose. You'll still face rejection, but on the front end before you drive out there and waste a lot of time. And you'll have a predictable sales process you can count on. And you'll save a lot of time, which is your most valuable asset, in my opinion. You'll have more confidence in selling your services. And this way feels much better than chasing prospects who do not want, need, or can afford your services.